baby. No fake accounts like KD. Doing the shit that I want to. Nobody I'll ever run to. Every time I come through. Take shots, but I'm gun proof. Know that I'm shooting right back. Killing them when I be dropping the track. Killing them and they be bringing it back. Killing them so I be wearing all black. Always been ready. This ain't a game, no confetti. I got my aim and I'm steady. I got the tools like get it.
What is going on YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of DrivenFilms HQ. Today we are pretty much going to be trying to get the valve cover put back on the TrapCar so that we can get this thing drivable again, get it back outside. And something else, let me show you right quick. Big shout out to my boy Jesse. He hooked me up with solid motor mounts for the square body. And yeah, I got a really good deal on these. And this is the rear mount, this is the driver's side. And let me show you something else. Remember we had that issue with the mount for the transmission? Well, check it out guys. This motor mount actually fits. Get it to line up again, there we go. Fits right on there. So, yeah. We should be good now as far as the transmission goes. It still needs this bolt on this side, but as long as I got these two main ones, I can thread the small one back in the back and it should be just fine. So that's a big plus. This was the one that was on it and that's how that was. It's too short on this one. It ain't going all the way to the back. But yeah, that's very awesome. And Bay's looking sick. And I also went ahead and painted the block on this, so that's looking minty. But anyway, right now I guess we'll go ahead and try to get this baby through into the car. I think it came out pretty good, looks decent to me. I do want to try to sand these letters off, but I don't know if I have the wire wheel for the drill up here or not. I gotta look and see. If I have one, I'll be able to do it. If not, I might have to wait to clean the letters. Let me see if I can find one of those wire wheels. Oh yeah, and if you don't go to Harbor Freight, you're missing out, man, because I'm collecting these slowly. Every time I go, I almost always have a coupon to get one of these free. And I mean, they're neat little work lights, man. You have like the light on the front, and then you have this little light on the end. Really neat, and it got a magnet on the back, so it just sticks to metal for free. So, can't turn that down. But yeah, let me see if I can find a wire wheel. We can knock the paint off them letters and get that throw back on the car.
Yeah. Only plays on the beat.
Too real, got to get it how I live. Yes, I do. Fuck how you feel. I'm just trying to get a meal.
Get that paper.
Feed my family, fuck around and sign a deal.
Run it up, nigga.
My life for real, got to get it how I live.
Gang, run it up.
Got to get it how I live.
I got to get it.
Too real, got to get it how I live.
Skirt.
Feed my family, fuck around and sign a deal.
Huh?
My life for real, got to get it how I live, nigga. I got to get it how I live.
Yeah,
That's how I was told. Play the card I was dealt, nigga, I would never fold.
Hell no.
Got to get it, gotta have it. Stacking green, no cabbage. This life I'm living so lavish.
Yeah.
Y'all fuck niggas be lacking. If you want it, nigga, you can have it. Yeah, bitch, they call me Swab-O-Matic. I'ma pull up in the automatic. I'ma let these niggas fucking have it. Got lean all in my liver. Flow colder than a fucking winter. You took the bitch out the dinner. I fucked her and I dismissed it. Don't. Niggas mad cause I got it and I know you need it, nigga, you can't have it. No. Smoke the bitch till it's ashes. Damn. Falling out like I'm magic. Talking shit causing havoc. Toting the iron, you tote plastic. They asked me who I do it for. I said, bitch, do it for my family. Too real, got to get it how I live. Yes, I do. Fuck how you feel. I'm just trying to get a meal.
Get that paper.
Feed my family, fuck around and sign a deal.
Run it up, nigga.
My life for real, got to get it how I live.
Gang, run it up.
Got to get it how I live.
I got to get it.
Too real.
here is the finished product. Let me cut this fan off right quick. Okay, so here is the finished product, guys. Man, I tell you, it's the little details you do to a car that make it look so much better. That is just beautiful, man. I'm really happy with the way this turned out. And yeah, it's looking like a whole new motor, man. That's a big difference between the before and the after. I'm super hype about that. Yeah, it just felt like I needed to show the TrapCar a little love since I haven't really done anything different since I put the wheels on. So can't forget about the Trap, you know. That's always my number one anyway. But this baby right here is soon to be my daily, and then the Trap can rest for real. But I mean, I don't really drive it that much, so you know, nothing really changing. I'll just have a daily driver. But God, that valve cover, it looks super good. Super good, really happy. And I'm not really the type that want a different color valve cover. I really like the original, like whatever kind of engine you got. Like, so if it's the A, then it'll be either the red or the black top, or if it's the 23A, it'll be the blue, or the F20 will be blue. But that paint had gotten really, really old on me, and it's been on there since I had it. And I ride hoodless a lot, so it had got faded and stuff from the sun and whatnot. So I just felt like it was time for a change. So we'll see how long I stick with this and stuff. But I just figured since I was doing something paint-wise to this, I might as well pick up a little something and knock this out. So hope y'all like it. If y'all do, make sure y'all give this video a thumbs up. I'm super stoked on it. It turned out really good. I actually sent down the spark plug cover, because that's real carbon, and I re-cleared that, so you can see it's got a bit of a shine again, unlike what it used to be. So really happy with it. So with that being said, I'm gonna wrap this video up right here. I know this one's probably quick, but trying to get some stuff done, and I'm trying to let y'all see everything that I'm getting done. So make sure y'all continue watching. Make sure y'all like this if you did like that color turnout. I think it looks amazing. As always, guys, respect our bills. Peace out.